Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how you can save a video from TikTok. First, open the TikTok app and locate the video you wish to save. Look for the share icon, which typically appears as an arrow on the right side of the screen. Tap this icon and a menu will pop up. From these options, simply select Save Video. The video will then download directly to your device's photo gallery or camera roll, usually within a few seconds. To save a TikTok video without the watermark, you'll need to use a third-party tool. Begin by tapping the share icon on the video and then selecting Copy Link. Next, open a web browser or a dedicated app designed for watermark-free downloads. Paste the copied link into the provided field on that platform. Follow their specific instructions, which usually involve a download button, to save the video directly to your device, free of any overlays. Saving your own TikTok videos, whether they are drafts or already posted, is quite straightforward. For drafts, navigate to your profile, tap Drafts, select the video, and then choose Save. If it's a video you've already posted, open that video, tap the three dots or share icon, and select Save Video. Your own content typically saves without a watermark, giving you a clean copy for other uses. When saving TikTok videos, it's crucial to remember a few key points. Always respect the original creator's copyright and privacy. Exercise caution when using third-party downloaders. Always choose reputable and secure options to protect your device. Also, be mindful of your device's available storage, especially if you plan to download many videos. Some creators may also disable the saving option for their content, so direct saving might not always be available.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.